Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up a cornbread tamale casserole. We love this, we eat it a lot around here and I wanted to share it with y'all. So let's go ahead and jump in. Everything you need for this will be in the description. Here I have some 2 packs of the, can they see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Mexican cornbread. These are 6, what does that say, 6 ounces? Yeah, 6-ounce packs. And instead of the milk, we're going to be adding some cream corn. And have your oven preheated. I have my cast iron skillet in there, getting hot with a couple of tablespoons of grease or oil, whatever you want in there, bacon grease, whatever you like, and some sour cream. Get all that out of there. Okay. Couple of eggs, large eggs, and some sugar. This will just kind of balance everything out with the savory meat sauce that's going to go on top of this. So I'm going to get this mixed up just until everything's together. Okay, my cast iron is hot. I'm going to get all this poured in, and in the oven it goes. My oven is preheated to 400. We're going to bake this just until it's done, just like cornbread. See that sizzling? Or you could use your 9 by 13. Just depends on how thick you like your cornbread. Just get it evened out, and in the oven it goes. Okay, I have my ground beef there. I chopped some onions up earlier and put them in my little Ziploc bag to have it all ready. And we're just going to get this fried up till it's nice and golden brown and get that fat drained off of it. Okay, we have that fried. My hamburger didn't really give me a whole lot of grease. Sometimes you can get lucky with that 80-20 and not get so much grease on it. See there? But if you have a lot, see, I hardly got any on there. Drain it off. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my seasoning, which is some taco seasoning. Use your favorite store-bought brand of the packets, or you can make your own. Today I'm cheating and doing the quick and convenient. Couple of packs, and I'm going to use this 10-ounce can of red enchilada sauce. And I'm going to put 1/4 of a cup of water. Now we're just going to get this mixed up, get the lid on it, let it simmer just until that cornbread is done. This I normally let simmer maybe 15 minutes. All right? Okay, my cornbread's done. Toothpick comes out clean in the center. It's done. Now what I'm going to do is take the skewer here and just poke some holes in this. Okay, you want some of that sauce from that meat we made there to kind of drip down in here. Okay, I got plenty of holes here. Now I'm going to get our meat that we made up, and we're going to pour that right over the top of that cornbread. Hear that sizzle? That's hot. It's hot. And just spread this out evenly. Something different. We eat this all the time with a salad, or just by itself. Just get it all even. Don't want a pile of meat in one area. All right. Now we're going to top it with some cheese. Now they call this tamale pie because it's got the cornbread mix, corn, meat, and it's really good. This is a comfort food, I would think. For us it is, right, Curtis?
I guess.
But I'm doing some mozzarella here. You do whatever kind of cheese you want, and how much you want. But we'll get this back in the oven so it can melt for probably 15 minutes or so. A little bit more cheese. I already grated this up earlier and put it in my bag. If you can and if you have it, freshly grate your own cheese. So much better. And that's about it. In the oven it goes. Everything else is cooked. We're just looking to melt that cheese. Okay, mine was in the oven for 12 minutes. And I put, now you could put some cilantro on top, chopped up, or some parsley, just for garnish. But the cilantro flavors it a lot. So we're going to go ahead and, now you can try to slice this and get it out, or you can just scoop it out. That's what I'm going to do. Just so y'all can see what this looks like here. Curtis, you going to be the taste tester?
I just got done eating, Mom. Not today.
Not today, huh? Let's try to get a piece of this out here. Grab that cornbread from the bottom. Look at that cheese. Can they see that, Curtis?
No, they can't. Go down a little bit. There you go.
Look at that cheese. Now, I love my food. Yeah, you would scald your mouth, Curtis.
Yeah.
I'm going to have a bite of this with y'all. Love this stuff. Hot. Oh, that is so good. Leave my cheese alone, Curtis. That is delicious, y'all. Look at that.
Good stuff right there? Is that good?
Yep, that's it. Delicious. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope y'all enjoy the food. So you can see that cornbread underneath there. Oh, that's good. But anyways, you guys, if you like the channel, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps support my channel, and I truly appreciate it. Have it as is, or make you a salad, some beans on the side, whatever you'd like. But until next time, go check out my merch. We will see you guys next week. Stay blessed. Love you. Bye-bye.